The BioIn products contain the latest generation of probiotics. During nearly a century, the probiotic industry has used various attempts to improve the survival rate of bacteria. Neither enteric coating, microencapsulation, or protein coating, which has been used, is ideal. Either the problem is to release the bacteria in the right place of the gastrointestinal tract, or to use protection system without allergens. The fifth generation, which is used for the BioIn products, offer by far the best protection of bacteria and is absolutely safe in use. So in order to protect the viability of the bacteria, Biocare Copenhagen uses a patent-protected cryotechnology where we add some polysaccharides and polymers before freeze-drying the bacteria. The shield reinforces the cell membrane and protect the bacteria during processing, storage and ingestion, so a high number of viable cells will reach the small intestines alive in a good condition to colonize and proliferate. The bacteria in the BioIn program therefore have much longer shelf life than conventional probiotic bacteria, and up to 90% are able to pass through the stomach and the duodenum without getting affected to the exposure of stomach acid, digestive enzymes and bile salts. We should also add that the products in the BioIn program contain very high number of beneficial bacteria and much more than enough to keep the required activity by the end of the shelf life, even when the products are stored at room temperature. Producing probiotic bacteria of high quality requires the best possible production standard. Biocare Copenhagen have therefore outsourced the fermentation of the beneficial bacteria to a contract manufacturer in the US, which manufacture our probiotic raw materials under strict clean room facilities class ISO 8, in production facilities with low humidity and temperature control, and under good manufacturing practice ISO and HACCP.